Hello my gorgeous glam style family, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Araceli and I hope you're doing absolutely amazing today. In today's video, I am so excited to finally be sharing with you these two very glamorous DIY ideas to decorate your home and make it look absolutely fabulous any time of the year. So without further ado, here goes a very glamorous DIY video, a glam style. For the first DIY, we're going to be working on this bird vase, and for this I'm going to be using one of these bowls that I found at the Dollar Tree, and we are also going to be using a stand, and I'm going to be using this pink one that I already had, but if you don't have one like this, you can use this other one that you can find at your local Dollar Tree, along with this little clear vase fillers. We're also going to be using gold spray paint and clear gloss to seal the glitter. Some glue, any kind that you have is fine, and we can't forget our best friend, the glue gun. These little birds that you can find at your local Dollar Tree, some glitter, and an empty container to mix the glitter. And the very first thing that I did was spray paint the birds gold. Next, I went ahead and started gluing the little vase fillers to the stand of my little vase. And a quick tip I want to give you is to actually paint your stand before you glue the little vase fillers, and this will ensure that you would only need 2 coats of paint, rather than if you do it like me, you're gonna need like 5 coats of paint because the undercolor keeps seeping through the cracks. Once you have it ready, make sure that you're taking off all the glue strands that the glue gun left behind, and then you're ready to spray paint this gold. Once spray painted, it will look something like this, and you're ready to get your glue and add your glue and glitter to the stand. And I'm adding a mix of silver and gold chunky glitter. Once you have it ready, it's going to look something like this, and you can take it outside to speed up the drying process. And while that dries, we're going to be working on the bowl, and for that we're going to be using this gold little marker that you can find at your local Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to be doing is drawing some branches in no particular way or order. I'm just drawing them just however I think they look cute. For this bowl, I had a different idea, and I had added some glitter in the rim of the bowl. I don't know if you can appreciate it right here, but I didn't like it, and I went ahead and did this other idea, and I really love the outcome. And so all I'm doing right here is what we've done before, and it's just following the little branches that we drew with the glue gun, and then adding the gold leaf on top. And I'm gonna be doing this wherever I drew the little branches, and then just removing the excess with a clean brush. And once you have it ready, it's gonna look something like this, and we are ready to glue our little birds. These little birds come with a little clip and all you gotta do is remove it, and it's very simple. All you gotta do is pull it out, and that is it. Next, you're gonna want to get your bird and imprint the rim of the bowl in the middle of your little bird, and then get a knife and make an incision, and this is to securely glue your bird to the bowl. Next, just add some glue and glue your bird to the bowl. Once it dries, to secure your birds even more, turn your bowl upside down and add some more hot glue through the inside. You only want to do this through the inside because if you do it through the outside, you will be able to see the glue and it will look a little messy. Once you have everything ready, we are ready to assemble everything. Here's my stand and my bowl, and all I'm gonna do is add some hot glue to my stand and place my bowl on top, making sure that it's right in the middle. You guys know that if you guys want something super secure, you guys can use E6000 or Gorilla Glue. And here's the final result. For the second DIY, we're going to be working on this round candle holder, and this is actually an inspiration of a picture that I will leave somewhere here. And for this, we're going to be using a square floral foam, one of these lids that you can find at your local Dollar Tree, contact paper of choice. I found this one at Walmart, and of course, we cannot forget our diamond sheet, some gold leaf, this crushed mirror that I found at Michael's, this little terrarium, I think that's what it's called, from the Dollar Tree. Can't forget our glitter and our best friend, the glue gun. Some scissors, some zip ties, some gold spray paint, and some glue. And the very first thing we're gonna do is get our terrarium and add some glue. Then with the brush, we're just gonna brush it down all the way to the middle of it. Next, we're gonna add the gold leaf everywhere we've added the glue. And then here, you're not gonna wanna wait for it to dry. We're just gonna violently stipple and brush away all the excess. And then in those places where there's like gold leaf missing, we're gonna add some glitter, again using silver and gold glitter. Next, you're just gonna wanna take it outside to speed up the drying process. And while that dries, we're gonna be working on our vase. And the very first thing we're gonna do is remove the net of the lid itself. And this is very simple. All you gotta do is push, and it's gonna come right off. There's gonna be one piece, however, that won't come off, and you're gonna wanna use scissors for that. Do not try and pull it out because the net has like little picks and you can hurt yourself. Next, you're gonna wanna imprint that circle into your floral foam, and with some scissors, you're gonna make that mark a little bit more deep. And this is so when I place my little circle in there, it's so much more easier and so that it actually stays in place. Next, I'm going to be bringing my contact paper and measure my floral foam so that I can cut the contact paper to size and cover the floral foam with it. Where the two ends meet, I went ahead and added some hot glue so I can secure the contact paper to the floral foam. Also at the top, I made some incisions so that it's easier for me to glue the contact paper to the floral foam. Also, when you're doing this, you don't need to add a lot of hot glue because you don't want the contact paper to look bumpy. You just want it to look nice and flat. And once you're done, it's gonna look something like this, and we are ready to glue our gold leaf. And all I'm doing is actually following kind of like the same marble pattern with the glue and just adding the gold leaf on top. And once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna take it outside and let it dry and then remove the excess. And here's what it looks like once it's dry. And once I brought it inside, I realized that I forgot to do this side. And for this side, I'm going to be using a different technique with the hot glue gun and the gold leaf. And to be honest, I think this looks so much more better and it's faster to dry. You don't have to wait. In my personal opinion, I really love this more than the actual traditional glue. Next, following the same marble pattern, I'm just going to be adding glue and then glitter right on top. And once I'm done, again, taking it outside, letting it dry. And for me, when I take it outside, it just like dries it so much more faster than when I leave it inside and let it dry on like actual air condition. Let me know if it works the same for you. Okay, well, once it's dry, we're going to be using our crushed mirror. And this is just going to give it that wow factor. This is really going to take it to the next level. Using the hot glue gun, going over all the spots where we've added the glitter, we're gonna add the glue and then we're going to be adding our crushed glass, being very careful not to cut ourselves, but also making sure that it's well in there. You don't want your crushed glass on the floor, especially if you have little ones or pets, or you just simply like being around your house in socks. And then once we're done with this, next we're going to be working on our little ring, and all we need for this is to cut our diamond sheet in strips of 5 diamonds each. Then just glue them to the ring, leaving a little space alone so that it's easier for us to glue it to the vase. Once we have everything ready, we can assemble everything together, and the first thing we're gonna do is add a lot of glue to the vase, then add the ring. And once that dries, we're going to be adding some more glue to secure in place. Next, I went ahead and added my mirror. This mirror I've had for quite a while. I got it at Burlington in a set of 4 for only $4.99. And if you want, you can leave it like this. This looks very pretty, but you guys know I'm very extra. So I went ahead and spray painted the tip of the zip ties gold, and all I did is I zip tied the terranium to the ring, and then I went ahead and added some little diamonds and a tea light inside the terranium to complete the look. And here's the first option, just in case you didn't like it with the terranium. You can use this vase in 1,000 different ways. I personally really like this one. And here's the second option, and the one that stole my heart. I am obsessed with this look. To me, it looks like out of a fairy tale. I don't know, my heart screams with joy every time I see it. I really, really love it. This is by far one of my favorite DIYs that I've ever done. And well, this video has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful ladies. Please don't forget to let me know which one was your favorite DIY. Till next one, bye.